Hey guys, I have one quick tip when it comes to mudding, and it is something that really changed the game for me, and I wanted to share it with everybody. So, when it comes to mudding, you'll want to put your mud wherever you're mudding at, and then when you go to smooth it out, make sure your knife is completely clean. So clean it off completely. And then do your strokes to smooth it out. And that really makes a huge difference. Before I did that, it would take me forever and there'd be all kinds of imperfections. And yeah, just making sure your knife is clean before you go to do your smooth swipe on there makes a huge difference. And in case you're wondering about the mess in the background, that would be my cats. That's their little playground right now. They love paper that comes in packages. So anyway, I hope that helps.